Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Glossy leather jumpsuit are modern statement in night fashion, offering in style and in night fashion, offering a evening wear. These one-piece design, intentional and powerful, especially under artificial lightning wear. Glossy structure enhanced from the successful other jumpsuit depend largely on fit, defined waist structure, seams, and balance proportion ensure overwhelming. A well-tailored jumpsuit communicates confidence without relying on excessive styling. Glossy finish perform best in controlled environments like night, event, or indoor. Getting dark shadows help manage reflection while allowing the material to catch light naturally. The balance prevents visually heaviness and maintains sophistication. Necklines and sleeves design should remain minimal to preserve a clean look. Stable cut, a long sleeves or structured shoulder help create a strong, yet refined appear. Simplify, allow the material itself to remain the social point. Whatever choice should complete the jumpsuit structure sleek, hair or boot with a clean profile, maintain balance and reference the outfit modern character. Avoid overly decorative whatever that distract the overall photo. Layering can enhance versatility without hiding the jumpsuit from short jackets, tailored coat, or minimal outerwear add dimension while preserving the outfit coat silhouette. The goal enhancement, no distraction. Accessories should be restrained and deliberate. Simple jewelry, structure bag, or natural accent help maintain focus on jumpsuits. Design glossy material already command attention and do not require heavy embellishment. Overall, glossy leather jumpsuit display present confidence and control in night fashion. Blend style with the intentions. They suit parties from evening and modern event. Wear strong silhouette and polished presentation are valid. Layering can enhance versatility without hiding the jumpsuit from short jacket, elongate coat, or minimal outerwear. Add dimension while preserving the outfit core silhouette. The goal is enhancement, not destruction. Thank you for watching this video till the end. We will meet soon. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Bye. Subscribe to my channel for more fashion tips and outfit inspiration. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Bye. Like my videos and bye.